Sudeep, in this live broadcast we have another write-in question. We were asked from Sam in Miami. He is a web developer in Miami. He's been developing for a couple of years, and he wants to know if you recommend going with the Waterfall development method or the Agile development method. And for our viewers who don't know what this means, would you please define Waterfall method versus Agile, and then let him know how you would make a determination to which way to go.
There are two types of project management system. One, as Sam said, was Waterfall, and the other one is Agile. Waterfall is typically like a railroad track where you do one piece of the development and then go to the next piece and the next piece. It's more of a linear method. Over the recent years, new project management methodology came into play, which is Agile. Just like the word Agile, you develop your web project through short little sprints, and each sprint addresses a group of tasks or activities. Going back to Sam, your question regarding what methodology you would use, whether it's Agile or whether it's Waterfall, it needs to be kind of addressed on the merits of the project, the scope of the project. But here is what I have seen over the years. Projects are moving with technology. Is Agile seems to have a clear benefit over Waterfall in terms of restricting your cost or developing the projects within the budget, within the timeline. And here is why, the distinct advantage that Agile brings. Agile is basically divided into small components where you develop a certain part and you finish that part, and simultaneously you're also working on other parts. They go in small little sprints. So Agile is basically a derivative Scrum. Typically, if a project is pretty large or big, then Agile really works out good. And there's a lot of other resources, and we can go through the Agile or Waterfall. It's a very deep and large topic to discuss about, and given the limitations of time, I'd like to kind of leave it at this point.
Could you explain though, is there an advantage to using one over the other as a developer? And which kind of projects would that Sam in Miami want to use Waterfall or Agile?
If you're developing a 4 or 5 page brochure website, say, or 5-7 pages, I don't see, how you can implement Agile, given it's a very small project. Waterfall would work. But anything that is a little bit bigger than that, if you're doing an e-commerce website, or if your web application has certain degree of complexity, then you probably would like to head the Agile way.